In the ever-changing landscape of online income opportunities, artificial intelligence, AI, is quickly becoming one of the most powerful tools for individuals looking to make money in 2025. With AI, you can streamline your work, improve productivity, and create high-quality content without the need for advanced technical skills or significant investment. As AI tools evolve, they provide even more opportunities to tap into new sources of revenue. From content creation to automation and e-commerce, AI is changing the game for online money-making methods. If you're wondering how to use AI tools to your advantage, this guide will walk you through 10 proven ways to harness AI to generate income. From igniting creativity to automating your business processes, these tools can help you work smarter, not harder. Let's dive into the world of AI and how it can boost your online earnings in 2025. At number 10, we have AI content creation for websites and blogs. Creating high-quality content consistently can be one of the most time-consuming tasks for online entrepreneurs. But AI tools like OpenAI's GPT models, Jasper, and Writesonic are designed to make this process faster and easier. These AI-driven platforms allow you to generate SEO-optimized blog posts, articles, and social media content with just a few prompts. The result? You can produce high-quality content in minutes, saving you time while increasing your online presence. Businesses, bloggers, and affiliate marketers can all benefit from this method, as it frees them from the daily grind of writing content manually. Coming at number 9, we have AI-assisted graphic design. While graphic design may seem like a field that requires creativity and advanced skills, AI tools have democratized design by providing intuitive platforms that can create stunning graphics. Tools like Canva, Adobe Sensei, and Design Hill use AI to help users design logos, social media posts, presentations, and more with little to no design experience. With the ability to automate repetitive tasks, these tools enable users to create professional-looking designs quickly and efficiently, even if you don't have a background in design. Whether you're running a blog, managing social media accounts, or creating digital products to sell, AI-powered design tools can help you elevate your online presence and brand. At number 8, we have AI-powered e-commerce automation. If you've ever run an online store, you know how much work goes into inventory management, product sourcing, customer service, and marketing. AI can help streamline these processes by automating key tasks. For example, platforms like Shopify now offer AI-driven tools that help with inventory management, product recommendations, and even customer support through chatbots. By using these AI tools, e-commerce owners can save time, reduce overhead, and improve the customer experience, allowing them to focus on growing their business rather than dealing with the day-to-day logistics. At number 7, we have using AI for email marketing. Email marketing has long been a crucial tool for businesses to engage with their audience, but crafting personalized, effective emails can be time-consuming. AI-powered tools like MailChimp, ConvertKit, and ActiveCampaign have made email marketing smarter by providing features like automated email campaigns, A/B testing, and predictive analytics. These tools can segment your email list, send personalized content at the best times, and even optimize subject lines to increase open rates. By automating these processes, you can reach a larger audience and increase your sales with minimal effort. Coming in at number 6, we have AI for social media management. Managing social media accounts can be a full-time job, especially when it comes to creating content, scheduling posts, responding to comments, and analyzing performance metrics. AI tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, and Sprout Social can automate social media scheduling, track engagement, and even create content suggestions based on trending topics. These tools allow you to manage multiple accounts across various platforms from one place and ensure your content is reaching the right audience at the optimal times. If you're a social media influencer or manage business accounts, AI can save you hours every week. At number 5, we have AI-driven virtual assistants for task automation. One of the most effective ways to make money online in 2025 is by leveraging AI-driven virtual assistants to automate time-consuming tasks. Virtual assistants like Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and Microsoft's Cortana can help you manage daily tasks such as scheduling appointments, setting reminders, and organizing emails. These tools can also integrate with other apps and platforms, allowing you to streamline your workflow. By using virtual assistants, you can free up time to focus on higher priority tasks that directly contribute to increasing your income. Coming at number 4, we have AI-based stock trading. While investing in stocks may seem daunting, AI has made it easier than ever to get involved in the stock market. AI-powered trading platforms like eToro, Robinhood, and Wealthfront use machine learning algorithms to analyze market trends and make predictions about the best stocks to buy. These platforms can automatically execute trades based on AI recommendations, giving you a hands-off approach to trading. Whether you're a beginner or experienced trader, AI can help you make smarter investment decisions and manage your portfolio more efficiently. At number 3, we have AI for freelance work and gig economy platforms. If you have a skill such as writing, programming, graphic design, or video editing, you can use AI tools to enhance your productivity and increase the quality of your work. For example, AI-powered platforms like Upwork and Fiverr now offer tools that help you find freelance gigs, optimize your profile, and even price your services based on market demand. Additionally, AI-driven tools like Grammarly can help you improve your writing, while video editing tools like Adobe Premiere Pro now feature AI-powered automation for tasks like color correction, audio editing, and even scene transitions. By using these tools, you can increase your efficiency, attract more clients, and ultimately earn more money from your freelance work. At number 2, we have AI-driven product creation and design. One of the best ways to make money online is by creating digital products like ebooks, online courses, and digital art. AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney can help you create these products quickly and efficiently. For example, AI can help you generate content for an ebook or course, while design tools like Canva and Photor can assist you in creating professional-looking digital products without the need for advanced graphic design skills. These products can then be sold through platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or your own website, providing a passive income stream once the products are created. Finally, at number 1, we have using AI to create and sell art and NFTs. The rise of blockchain technology and NFTs, non-fungible tokens, has opened up a new market for digital art. AI-driven platforms like Deep Dream Generator, Art Breeder, and DALL-E allow you to create unique digital artwork in just a few clicks. Once you've created your artwork, you can sell it as an NFT on marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, and Foundation. With the growing popularity of NFTs, there's a huge demand for original digital art, and AI tools can help you tap into this market with minimal effort. Whether you're an artist or just someone looking to explore this new income stream, AI can help you create, sell, and profit from digital art. AI tools are revolutionizing the way we work and make money online, offering new opportunities for anyone willing to explore them. From content creation to stock trading and e-commerce automation, AI provides powerful tools that can help you increase your income with minimal effort. By incorporating AI into your online business or personal ventures, you can streamline your processes, increase efficiency, and ultimately earn more money. The beauty of AI tools is that they allow you to focus on what matters most, while automating the tasks that slow you down. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or investor, there's a way for AI to work for you. The key is to start small, learn the tools that best fit your needs, and build your income streams over time. In 2025, the possibilities are endless. Don't get left behind. Start integrating AI into your workflow today and watch your online income soar. And don't forget, if you found these tips helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more tips on how to use AI to make money online in the coming months, so stay tuned. Leave us a comment below telling us which AI tool you're most excited to try. And as always, thanks for watching.